Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets mobile app. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my file in my Google Sheets mobile app and I'm going to show you how we can use the VLOOKUP function. Basically guys, we can use the VLOOKUP to find a value in a table or range. And for example, I'm going to use it to find the score of the students. Okay, if we want to use the VLOOKUP function, we need to select one of the cell in the Google Sheets, and we can type in equal and then VLOOKUP like this. And then I'm going to select the student's name. Okay, and then I'm going to select the range. The range is in the name and score column, so we can select that, and you can enter the number of the column too. Okay, then the last one you can type in false to find the exact match. Okay, then just click on this check mark. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the value of this the score of this student is 85. Okay, and for the students, I'm just going to autofill like this. I'm going to tap and hold on it and autofill. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to use VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.